Welcome everyone to another startup and automobile documentation. What we have here is a 2007 BMW 335i convertible. This E93 3 Series is painted in black sapphire with a retractable hardtop roof. It has a two-tone black and saddle brown interior with Dakota leather seat upholstery. It does have smart key access at both doors. And on the key fob, we have the buttons for lock, unlock, and trunk release. Frameless windows. Storage areas on the door panels. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Both front seats are fully powered with 4-way power lumbar support as well as side bolster adjustment. You also have a manual thigh extender. The driver's seat also gets 2-person memory settings. Now that we're behind the wheel, let's go ahead and start the engine. And it does have push-button ignition. One of BMW's most popular models is the 3 Series, which competes in the compact luxury car segment alongside rivals like the Mercedes C-Class, Audi A4, and Lexus IS. Since debuting in the mid-70s, the 3 Series has amassed quite a legacy as both a popular luxury car and a famous performance car in terms of its high-performance M3 variants. The 3 Series is getting ready to enter an 8th generation at the time I'm making this. This 2007 model represents the 5th generation of the 3 Series, collectively codenamed E90. It was made in 4-door sedan, 5-door wagon, 2-door coupe, and 2-door convertible body styles, respectively codenamed E90, E91, E92, and E93. Like other BMWs from this time frame, the E93 series was a drastic departure from the outgoing E46 generation. However, I do think these are still really good-looking cars. The styling, I say, has aged quite well. This generation of the 3 Series is notable for being the only generation where a V8-powered M3 saw mass production. It was also the last generation where all the body styles were under the 3 Series name, as the generation that follows saw the renaming of the coupe and convertible body styles to the 4 Series. The 5th generation 3 Series was produced as a whole in the US market from model years 2006 through 2013, although certain body styles weren't sold certain years. The E93 3 Series also marked BMW's first ever retractable hardtop roof. But as for the US market, 2007 model year 3 Series in the convertible body style, there were two main trims. The base 328i used a naturally aspirated 3-liter inline-6 engine with 230 horsepower, while the 335i, as shown here, used a twin-turbocharged 3-liter inline-6 with 300 horsepower. Both engines could be paired to either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. Rear-wheel drive was standard for the 07 3 Series in convertible form. In the instrument cluster, you have your tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, oil temp gauge, and a digital info display. Gone through via the button on the end of the turn signal stalk. It has a 3-spoke design, leather-wrapped, and multifunctional steering wheel. As for controls, on this side you have your volume control, phone button, voice command button. Then on this side, you have your seat track, audio source button, and recirculation for the climate control. And you also have paddle shifters to manually shift the transmission. And the steering wheel is manually tilt and telescopic. Your headlight switch, climate vent for the driver. On this side is your high beam, turn signal, and information display stalk. Down here is your cruise control stalk. And on this side is your wiper stalk. It does have auto wipers. Going down the center of the interior, you have your central climate vents, push button ignition, hazard light switch, power door lock button, traction control toggle. Your whole radio head unit is right here. Does have a CD player. Sound settings. Different menus. You do have dual zone automatic climate controls, different zones, temperature for either side, fan speed, auto, recirculation, defrosters, that kind of stuff. You also have the controls for your 3-stage heated front seats. And behind this cover is a 12-volt power outlet and some storage. Small cup holder. The parking brake is hand operated. You can power operate the convertible top with this switch. You have a center console with some storage along with another cup holder, another 12-volt power outlet, an aux port, as well as a USB port. And above the glove box are 2 cup holders. Vanity mirrors and lights for both sun visors. You have an auto-dimming rear view with garage home link, compass, and on your overhead console you have your roadside assistance and your overhead reading lamps. Now we'll roll down all the windows. This switch right here will roll down everything at once, one touch. The front 2 windows are also fully automatic, the back ones are automatic down. And lower the power convertible top. And we'll also have a look at the engine bay. This example is riding on these 18-inch 5-split-spoke gloss black rims. Powering the 07 335i is the BMW N54 B30 3-liter twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine. It has an aluminum block and head, dual overhead camshafts, 4 valves per cylinder, direct injection, and double vanos. Horsepower is rated at 300 at 5,800 RPM, and torque is rated at 300 pound-feet from 1,400 to 5,000 RPM. Power is sent to the rear wheels via this example's optional 6-speed Steptronic automatic transmission. Running on premium unleaded with a 16.1-gallon fuel tank, updated EPA estimates are about 18 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway. It has a double pivot front suspension and a 5-link rear suspension. Stopping the car are 4-wheel ventilated disc brakes. Both front seats have mat pockets on the backs. Rear passengers do get their own set of climate vents, storage, and a storage compartment right there. Nice having the air vents. That's not an amenity you would find in the back of a two-door car, but again, this is a luxury vehicle. But space, I'm about 6'1". It's about what you'd expect. It's not that comfortable. Pretty narrow, not too much leg room, pretty cramped. The front seat's even further up than what I normally have it. However, the one good thing about a convertible, if you have the top down, you literally have limitless headroom, which makes it nicer to ride in the back of. I think this car is just really nice looking. I love the brown interior. I think it's awesome with the black exterior. Especially with the top down, it just really pops. Now, me personally, I think the BMWs of this era, these are good cars to own if you know how to work on them, you know what the common failure points are, you know what to look for. Since these can get on the expensive side in terms of maintenance and upkeep, but if you're up for it, I can see this being a very rewarding, great car to drive. Now, the 335i is kind of interesting because it's the M3 of this generation had the naturally aspirated high revving V8, but then this is kind of a different flavor of high performance with the twin turbo straight six. Does have dual exhausts. The trunk of the 3 Series convertible can fit up to 12.3 cubic feet worth of cargo. And with the top down, again, the roof goes into here, so it is going to be a little bit less spacious. And as seen earlier, the fuel cap is on the passenger side. Anyhow, thanks for checking out this tour of this 2007 BMW 3 Series. And as always, stay on the lookout for future tours.